Hi, my name is Amanda, and today I'm going to share with you my top 5 foods for healthy digestion. Let's start off with papaya. Papaya contains a digestive enzyme called papain, which can aid in protein digestion, helping to break down those tough muscle fibers.
Papaya is also high in water content and a good source of insoluble fiber, which helps stimulate peristalsis in the colon.
Similar to papaya, kiwi also contains a digestive enzyme that helps with protein digestion.
Kiwis are also rich in pectin, a type of fiber that has been shown to have a natural laxative effect.
Third are prunes. Prunes contain a carbohydrate called sorbitol, which is not fully digested in the digestive tract.
As a result, it draws water into the large intestine, which helps promote bowel movements.
Fourth is flax. Flax seeds contain about 6 to 12% mucilage, which is a gum-like compound.
The mucilage provides a temporarily soothing and protective coating along the entire digestive tract, acting like a natural laxative.
Last but not least are legumes. Beans and lentils are both a great source of insoluble fiber and soluble fiber.
This means they can alleviate constipation by adding bulk and weight to stools, as well as softening them to facilitate passage.
Beyond food, another option that you can try is magnesium citrate. It's a supplement you can take before bed.
Magnesium citrate increases the amount of water in the intestinal tract, which promotes a healthy and easy bowel movement the next morning.
And there you have it, my top 5 foods for healthy digestion. Until next time, relish every bite.